Sharpness of resonance in series LCR सर्किट। इसके पहले वीडियो में हमने समझा था कि सीरीज LCR सर्किट में रेजोनेंस क्या होता है। व्हाट इज रेजोनेंस इन RLC सर्किट? इफ वी कनेक्ट ए रेजिस्टेंस, an inductor and a capacitor in series like this and then connect this to an oscillatory electrical source whose frequency can be varied, जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी हम चेंज कर सकते हैं। So when omega L minus 1 upon omega C becomes 0, this is when omega L is equal to 1 upon omega C, then impedance of the circuit Z is equal to R and current in the circuit is maximum. It is given by IRMS is equal to VRMS upon Z. Since Z is equal to R, so IRMS is equal to VRMS upon R. And resonant frequency, angular frequency omega naught is given by this formula 1 upon root LC. If we draw graph between omega and current in the circuit, then as omega increases, then current in the circuit increases. When impedance is minimum, which is equal to R, then current in the circuit is maximum. On further increasing omega, angular velocity को जब और हम इंक्रीज करते हैं रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी से, उसकी वैल्यू और इंक्रीज करते हैं, तो सर्किट में करंट की वैल्यू फिर डिक्रीज होने लगती है। ये हम इसके पहले वीडियो में समझ चुके हैं। अब अगर इस सीरीज LCR सर्किट के सिरों पर लगाया गया अप्लाइड ऑसिलेटरी वोल्टेज का एम्पलीट्यूड V नॉट है, सो द amplitude of current in the series LCR circuit is given by I naught is equal to V naught upon Z, where Z is impedance of this circuit. So RMS value of current, IRMS is equal to VRMS upon Z, and we know that Z is impedance, so IRMS is equal to VRMS upon under root R square plus omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square. Now I naught is maximum in resonance when omega is equal to omega naught, which is equal to 1 upon root LC, then Z is equal to R. So maximum value of this IRMS means effective value of current, or root mean square value of current. So IRMS max is equal to VRMS upon capital R. So this is maximum value of current in resonance condition. See here, in resonance condition, when angular frequency is equal to omega naught, impedance of the circuit is minimum, which is equal to resistance of the circuit capital R. So current, this is IRMS max, this current is IRMS max. अब हम क्या करते हैं, जो एंगुलर फ्रिक्वेंसी ओमेगा है उसको वेरी करते हैं, और वेरी करके दो ऐसी एंगुलर फ्रिक्वेंसी चूज़ करते हैं जिनके लिए सर्किट में करंट की वैल्यू, रेजोनेंस में जो करंट की वैल्यू है उसकी 1 अपॉन रूट 2 टाइम्स रह जाती है। इफ़ फॉर ओमेगा करंट इज़ 1 अपॉन रूट 2 टाइम्स इट्स मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मीन्स वैल्यू एट रेजोनेंस। नाउ द पावर डिसिपेटेड बिकम्स हाफ because P is equal to I square into R, and here I becomes 1 by root 2, so I square is half. In resonance curve there are two such values of omega. One is omega 1, which is greater than omega naught by an amount delta omega, so omega 1 is equal to omega naught plus delta omega, and other frequency is lower than this resonance frequency, so this omega 2 is equal to omega naught minus delta omega. Now this omega 1 and omega 2 is symmetrical about omega naught. This difference omega 1 minus omega 2 is equal to 2 delta omega. This is known as bandwidth of the LCR circuit. इसे इस ग्राफ में समझते हैं. This is graph between angular frequency omega and current in the RLC circuit. So at resonance frequency omega naught, current is maximum. This is IRMS max, not I naught, IRMS. I am taking effective value of current which is known as root mean square value of current. अब अगर हम एक फ्रीक्वेंसी ऐसी चूज़ करते हैं ओमेगा 2 जो ओमेगा नॉट से कुछ कम है और इस फ्रीक्वेंसी पर करंट की वैल्यू सर्किट में कितनी है, इस आई आर एम एस मैक्स की 1/√2 टाइम्स है. वी नो दैट 1/√2 इज इक्वल टू 1/1.414 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 0.707. तो इस ओमेगा 2 फ्रिक्वेंसी पर करंट की वैल्यू आई आर एम एस मैक्स की कितने टाइम्स है, 0.707 टाइम्स है. सिमिलरली फॉर ए फ्रिक्वेंसी विच इज़ ग्रेटर देन ओमेगा नॉट, this is omega 1. For this omega 1 value of the current is also 0.707 times I max. So difference of these two frequencies omega 1 minus omega 2, this is 2 delta omega, this is bandwidth of this resonance curve or bandwidth of this RLC circuit. Now if we divide 2 delta omega from omega naught, so omega naught upon 2 delta omega is a measurement of sharpness of the resonance. You may see here for this graph sharpness is less and for this graph sharpness is more. So this depends on omega naught and bandwidth 2 delta omega. Now at frequency omega 1 RMS value of current IRMS I dash IRMS is equal to IRMS max upon √2. क्योंकि हमने क्या किया, हमने ओमेगा 1 ओमेगा 2 ऐसी फ्रिक्वेंसी चूज की हैं जिनमें करंट की वैल्यू, रेजोनेंस में करंट की वैल्यू कितने टाइम्स है, 1/√2 टाइम्स है. सो करंट एट ओमेगा 1 I dash RMS is equal to I RMS max upon √2. Now this I dash RMS is also equal to V RMS upon √R square plus omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega 1 C whole square, because I is equal to V upon Z and Z is equal to √R square plus omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega 1 C whole square. Now if voltage across RLC circuit is VRMS, then IRMS max is equal to VRMS upon capital R. So for this IRMS, I dash RMS, we may write VRMS upon R√2 in place of I naught max. This is also RMS. RMS. Substitute VRMS upon R. Now compare this first and this second. Compare the denominators. So comparing denominator, this is clear that R√2 is equal to √R square plus omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega C whole square. Square the both sides, we get 2R square is equal to R square plus omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega 1 C whole square. On solving, R square is equal to omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega 1 C whole square. Take the square root of both sides, so we get R is equal to omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega 1 C. Now for omega 1 we may substitute omega naught plus delta omega. So since omega 1 L minus 1 upon omega C is equal to R, therefore omega naught plus delta omega into L minus 1 upon omega naught plus delta omega into C is equal to capital R. Take omega naught L common, so omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught minus, take 1 upon omega naught C common here, so minus 1 upon omega naught C inside the bracket 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught is equal to capital R. Now at resonance omega naught L is equal to 1 upon omega naught C. So for 1 upon omega naught C we may write omega naught L. So this term becomes like this. So omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught minus omega naught L, and for this 1 upon 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught we may write 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught to the power minus 1. this is equal to r. Now by binomial theorem 1 plus x to the power minus n is equal to 1 minus nx. For n is equal to 1, 1 plus x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x. This is when x is less than 1. So delta omega upon omega naught is less than 1. So for 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught, we may write 1 minus delta omega upon omega naught. Now solve this. So we get omega naught L into 2 delta omega upon omega naught is equal to R. So delta omega is equal to R upon 2L. Now sharpness of resonance is measured by omega naught upon 2 delta omega. This is also known as quality factor. So from here 2 delta omega is equal to R upon L, or 1 upon 2 delta omega is equal to L upon R. Therefore omega naught upon 2 delta omega is equal to omega naught L upon capital R. This omega naught upon 2 delta omega is also known as quality factor Q. So quality factor Q is equal to omega naught L upon capital R. Now since omega naught L is equal to 1 upon omega naught C, so Q is equal to 1 upon omega naught CR. Now 2 delta omega is equal to omega naught upon Q. So larger the value of Q means quality factor, smaller is the value of 2 delta omega means bandwidth. And if bandwidth is small, then resonance is sharp. So if bandwidth is small, then resonance is sharp. So in this graph, curve number 1 is more sharp as compared to this curve number 2. Or we may say that quality factor for this RLC circuit is more than quality factor for this RLC circuit, for which this graph is drawn. जिस RLC सर्किट के लिए हमने ग्राफ ड्रा किया है, तो पहले RLC सर्किट के लिए क्वालिटी फैक्टर इज मोर and for second quality factor is less. Now at resonance, omega naught is equal to 1 upon root LC. This is the resonance frequency, and Q is equal to omega naught L upon R. So Q is equal to 1 upon root LC into L by R. So Q is equal to 1 upon R into under root L upon C. So for quality factor to be large, resistance of the circuit should be small, and inductance should be large, and capacity should be small. So to select a particular frequency for which current should be large, sharpness of this resonance should be large or bandwidth should be small. So if delta omega is large, not only maximum value of current is less, and tuning of the circuit will not be good. जैसे इस डायग्राम में आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर बैंडविड्थ लार्ज है, यहाँ पर बैंडविड्थ स्मॉल है. तो ये है, ये सर्किट किसी पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी को अच्छी तरह सेलेक्ट करेगा इन कंपैरिजन टू दिस सर्किट, क्योंकि इसमें जो अनडिजायरेबल फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैं, जो हम सेलेक्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, वो भी कवर हो रही हैं. और इसमें पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए ये सर्किट कैसा है, सिलेक्टिव है. थैंक्स, हैव ए नाइस डे.